Variations, compensation events, relevant events. These are all terms used to describe change to a construction price or program. They differ depending on the contract you use. However, the principles you follow to present your case for a change are mostly universal. In this video, we'll discuss 5 tips to give you the best chance in securing a change to a construction project you're working on. 1. Understand the change control mechanism. This may sound obvious, however the importance cannot be understated. As a QS, you need to know the exact process which needs to be followed in order for a change to be accepted. Failing to understand this could result in acceptance of your change request being jeopardized. To give one example, let's say you're working under an NEC form. You come across something which has the potential to affect the time, cost, or performance of work. You'll need to send an early warning as soon as you become aware of the event. If you fail to do so, this could mean a future change is not accepted, and cost incurred as a result of failure to submit an early warning disallowed. 2. Articulate risk allocations. Risk is often shared between parties. It's essential to articulate why the risk for a particular change should be held with the client. This involves analysing the contract terms and project risk register. 3. Gather comprehensive information. Gathering as much information as possible about the event triggering the change is crucial. Investigate the nature of the change, its impact on the project, and any documentation that supports your case. This might involve consulting with project managers, engineers, or other relevant parties to gather additional insights. The more comprehensive your understanding of the event, the better prepared you'll be to negotiate effectively. 4. Provide multiple solutions. In negotiations, it's essential to be proactive and propose multiple solutions. By offering options to mitigate cost and program implications, you show your willingness to collaborate with the client. This can help foster a positive negotiation environment and increase the likelihood of reaching a mutually beneficial agreement. Remember to consider alternative construction methods, materials, or revised schedules that may help offset the impact of the change. 5. Communicate early and throughout. Last but not least, effective communication is key throughout the negotiation process. Start by communicating the potential change to the client as soon as you become aware of it. This helps establish transparency and allows the client to plan accordingly. Keep them updated on any progress, alternative solutions, and cost implications throughout the negotiation. Regular and clear communication builds trust and helps avoid misunderstandings. Negotiating a change to the construction price requires a strategic approach and effective communication. By understanding the change control mechanism, articulating the client's responsibilities, gathering comprehensive information, providing multiple solutions, and maintaining open lines of communications, you'll be well equipped to navigate these negotiations successfully. Negotiation is a skill that improves with practice, so don't be discouraged if it feels challenging at first. Stay confident, professional, and focused on finding mutually beneficial solutions. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.